Hello guys, I'm going to show you today my file safe program, which makes your files completely safe, makes them unopenable by Windows. Here we go. So I'm going to show you a little bit of the coding here. So I'm just going to double click on this form. Now this is just some of the coding I used in the program. Over here also, there's not much code in this section, but a lot more than what there is in the third. Over here is the third section. That's just my help box. And I really don't know what this other thing was added to. If you guys can explain that to me, it'd be nice. But I just got an error from it. So that's all my coding. Now I'm going to show you guys down here, there's extra stuff which is hidden, but I'll show you guys a little bit of that in the program when it starts up. So here we go. Let's debug the program. Now this program will be available to you guys when I'm going to put it on YouTube if you guys want. Give me set in the comments if you guys want the program, and I'll put it in, on a media file link for you guys. Okay, here you go. I took a random picture here for my desktop. I'll browse for the file, and right here I'm having a hard time because I'm narrating this, of course. I had a hard time trying to find the file. So I passed it once. I go all the way back up. I go down again. And I look for it, but it's not a big deal. Well, we're waiting for me to find the frickin' file. I'm going to tell you guys a little bit more about this. Yeah, it's going to be available on YouTube if you guys want. Say it in comments if you guys want it. I'll update the description and I'll put it in for you guys. Give me a like if you guys really like the program. Okay, so now over here is what I'm going to show you guys. So this is a JPEG. It doesn't necessarily mean you have to pick the JPEG extension, but it's going to help you with remembering what file type your file was before. Now I only support a few file types, so as you can tell, but all I did there was I just clicked on the convert and it converted the file. As you can tell right there, that was the file that it converted to. Now that file is unopenable by Windows. Windows does not recognize it, and no program I know recognizes this. Now I enter my username and my password, so this is password protected, so people can't change their files back, not to ruin the whole idea of the program. Now it says logged in successfully, and now you can revert your file. So if you go browse for the file again, which is on my desktop, and the file is down here. Okay, so one of these two files, I just picked the bottom one, and I hit open. Now, all I gotta do is select JPEG also, because that's what I had as my file type. Now, revert to the original, converted into a JPEG file. Now, if you look down here, the JPEG has just been re-added. So I double click on this, and as you can tell, Windows will open it up completely fine, no errors, no problem at all. Now, I do know it still says not locked, but it's not locked. I'm looking into that error. It's not a big deal. But there you go. The photo opens. And then if you were to say, first of all, the picture of the burger was because I do own a business and I was doing this advertisement thing for some guys. So that's the reason I have a picture of a burger on my computer. Okay, whatever. I'm off subject here. But here is the help form. There's also the about, which shows the version, all that sort of cool stuff. The version, who it was made by, what company, which is not really a company, but whatever. Now here, if I enter the password wrong, it'll give me this error saying that access denied, the program will shut down. Hope you guys like this program. Comment